Hello guys, today welcome in my video. Today I'm going to show you our Royce model. So this is the Royal Royce model. So these have these gates. You could see the inside of it, and I'll open everything up. So I just opened that. So this is when we open everything, and when we want to put the logo up, we could just push it up. There's space to put it down and up. So this is how it looks. This is the engine. This is the inside, and this is the back of the car. Boot of the car, and these are the tires. You could see the tires, and like in my Royce model, we could we'll turn it upside down. It's very heavy. Turn upside down. Like there's something over here. Like we pull it out, put it on the table, and we put it on the table, the Royce, and we press the bonnet. So then it lights up. These two lights up. And this is where we put the battery. And there are 6 and 7 logo of Royce on this Royce. There's 1 at the front, 1 at the back, that's 2, 4 in the tires, outside the tires, and then there's 1, maybe you can't see, there's a tiny one over here, and then 1 over here. So if you don't like the noise, if you want to stop the noise, you take the pin and then you just push it down. You push it down if it's annoying. Push it down and then it won't work. And you could play toys with it. And this is the bonnet, and there's a tiny space where we could put the logo, and we could pull it out and in. And there's one, when you push it back, like this, and then it would move. It moves very fast. Like a wish. This is my Royce model, how the features of this Royce model of mine. It's for $50. It's for $50. Everything is inside, and there are tiny handles. And the other side is the mirrors. And that's all for my video. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share.